Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable automatic billing on Facebook ads in 2025. So what you'll have to do is simply go on this list panel once you open, of course, your facebook.com. If you go on this list panel, you can go here and click on See More. Once you do so, you'll find here this Ads Manager. Go and click on that. And this should take you basically to the Ads Manager page. So just ignore everything and you can go on this left panel. And here you'll have to look for billing and payments. Go and click on that and this should take you into this new page. So if you are by any chance in this payments activity tab, just go and click on payment settings because this is what we need at the moment. So once you are here, you'll have to go to your payment methods. Of course, for you, if you have the auto billing already enabled instead of disabled, you probably have a payments method after all added. So you can go to your payment method. Of course, for me, I'll still have to add my payments method, but for you, you should go here to the payments method that you have, and you'll find the three dots in there. You can just go and click on that option, and you will be able either to disable the auto billing option or even to remove the whole payment method if you don't want to use it anymore in your account. Both will work, and removing it might be even better. And of course, if you just want to understand like why they keep like automatically billing me, you can just go here and click on how ads billing work and you'll be able to understand everything about it. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.